Hello and welcome back to another sew with me. We are going to be sewing up the Faye cardigan. So you'll have your back piece, your two front pieces that are mirrored, your two sleeves. This is such a cute cardigan and I can't wait to see the end result of this. You're going to take the three pieces of the main cardigan, the front and the back pieces, and we are going to sew the shoulders together first. Once those are sewn, we are going to attach the sleeves. Again, we are going to attach them with the right sides down, and we are going to sew those raw edges together. And we will repeat this step on the other side as well. Alright, with our sleeves attached, we are going to sew the two bodices together along this side and underneath the arm. Alright, this looks a little crazy, but we are going to hem all along this cardigan. This is going to be the snap version of this cardigan. There is a tie version as well, but we are going to hem along it there and the sleeves. So once we got that hemmed, we are going to attach our snaps to the corners of the front pieces. After those snaps are attached, you are done. This is the Faye cardigan, the long sleeve version and the snap version. There is a short sleeves and a tie version. It is super cute. I wish I had a little girl to put this on, but I do not. I will see y'all in the next sew with me. Bye.